So the last book I completed was called Uncommon Sense Teaching by Barbara Oakley and Beth Rogowski. And thanks to NTPA Book Club, specifically Anna Solomon of Flamingo Tutoring in Maryland and Dr. Robin Sadie of STEM Smarts Consulting, also from Jersey. Without you guys, I would not have read that book. But one of the things that I found that it says is if you want to retain the memory in the long term, in other words, improve your SAT or ACT scores, you've got to retrieve the memory. So retrieval is number one when it comes to remembering something for the long term. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 1, Number 8, which reads, the narrator implies that Miss Quarble favors a form of education that emphasizes what? So it looks like Miss Quarble has her own view on education. Let's go to the passage itself. And what it says up here is, this is Miss Quarble talking in line 62. I wish them not only to be taught, said Miss Quarble, but interested in what they learn. In their history lessons, for instance, you must try to make them feel like they're being introduced to the life stories of men and women who really live, not merely committing a mass of names and dates to memory. French, of course, I shall expect you to talk at mealtimes several days a week. And it looks like this part is most important. Make them feel like they're being introduced to life stories of men and women who really lived. So we go to the answer choices. Traditional values. No mention of traditional or implication of traditional values there. Implication of making them feel like they are in touch with people who actually live. It sounds like it's actively engaging the learning. Artistic experimentation, that would be like, hey, let's use different art forms to represent historical figures or something like that. And factual retention is actually the opposite of what she is saying. She does not want them to have a list of names and dates in their head. She wants them to actively engage, feel like they know the people they're with, they're studying. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these non-line reference questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.